Vivo launched its new smartphone under Y300 lineup in China called Vivo Y300i, with 5G support. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y300i features a tall 6.68-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y300i sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, and it has 5-megapixel selfie shooter under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Origin OS 5 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.3 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 206 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y300i has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from March 14th, in titanium silver, jade black, and rime blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y300i 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.